Justin went on a hiking trip. He need to travel 2 kilometers. He can hike at a speed of 3x plus 1 kilometers per hour, but he need to take a rest for x hours due to the challenging terrain.
The rate is discrimination time is average speed must be greater than or equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Find the possible values of x that would allow him to complete the like on time.
Kailangan muna natin gawing 0 sa right side and sa left side naman give equation.
Next is we will perform the operation. Since meron tayong parenthesis, unahin muna natin yon. Copy natin ang 3x plus 1, then multiply that natin negative 2 times x. So magiging negative 2x. Then negative 2x negative 1 is positive 2 over x negative 1 greater than or equal to 0. After that, combine natin yung like terms. So 3x plus negative 2x is equal to x. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Let's equate the value of x that will make our inequality to make to 0.
Let's locate the x values that will make our inequality make to 0. Una, hanapin muna natin yung x value ng x plus 3 equals 0. I-equate it lang natin ito. Paano nga ba yun? Mag-isip lang tayo ng isang number na kapag pinag-add mo sa positive 3 ay magiging 0 ang sagot. So, x equal 3. Next naman is x equals 0. So, we have x equal 1.
Third step, we will locate or mark yung negative 3 at positive 1 sa ating number line. First, gagawa tayo ng number line from negative 4 to positive 4. Mamarkahan natin si negative 3 at positive 1. Gagawa ang hollow at shade circle. Kapag hollow circle, meaning hindi ito included sa ating solution set. Kapag shaded naman, included ito sa solution set. So, 1 is hollow circle at ang negative 3 ay shaded.
We will make a table. So, ganito magiging itsura ng table natin. Paano nga ba?
Una, mag-isip ng number na nasa left side ni negative 3. Kaya naging negative 4 yon. Next is, between negative 3 at 1 is 0. Then yung nasa right side ni 1 is 2. Then, itetest natin yung tatlong yon sa equation.
Pinalitan ko lang yung mga x na negative 4. So, negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. Kaya, naging negative yon. Then, negative 4 minus 1 is equal to negative 5. So, negative ang ilalagay natin. And then, para silang negative. So, negative times negative is equal to positive. Ganun lang din yung gagawin sa 0 at 2. Last step ay isasama rin na natin lahat.